Hey there, I'm Lisa Doyle with Sereno Real Estate Christie's International here in our beautiful East Bay. So here we are. Welcome to my market update. Everyone keeps asking what is going on with the real estate market. How's the economy doing? What about interest rates? All of that. So I'm going to fill you guys in on some of the basic questions everyone's asking. But I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm doing my market updates at some of my favorite neighborhoods now. If you've seen my last few updates, we've been giving you updates on some of the greatest communities here in our East Bay. And I'm here in one of my favorite neighborhoods called Northridge. Now, this neighborhood's here in Danville. And it's a beautiful little community off of the Communitas Sahara area, kind of in central Danville, open spaces surrounding us. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this great neighborhood. But first of all, I'll give you guys a market update. So here we are, like I said, first part of June. The market in our East Bay has been stable. I mean, we've just seen a really level, stable, consistent market. And I'm going to give you some numbers to back that up. As you guys remember, over the past years, we've always been tracking the basic active and pending ratio, which is the supply and demand, basically. Too much supply, low amount of pending. Of course, the market's more on a buyer's market and the prices were falling. Right now in our East Bay, the entire Bay Area, really, we're stable. So I want to give you guys some numbers. Right now in our East Bay, there's 634 active homes listed, which is mean active on the market, and there's 658 pending. We are still very, very even. And if you guys remember from last year, end of last year, we had significantly more active than what we had pended. So that was a little bit of a softer space. Right now, we're super stable. Almost every city in our market has a little bit more pending than active. So strong. I'm going to give you some examples of a few of our cities, but I want to share with you a few other statistics. So 22% of all the homes this last 2 weeks or so have had multiple offers. So again, 22% multiple offers. It's a little bit up from my last update, a little bit more activity going on in most areas. Everyone always asks about the highest sale in the area. So right now the highest sale is 8.2 million. A home here in Danville, and it's over on Starmont. It's about a 6,400 square foot, 22 acre house, beautifully renovated. So you 8.2 million. Everyone always wants to know about the highest sale. And then a couple other statistics I want to share with you. 43 of the houses this last week that were on the market have come off of the market, basically failed to sell. So they were on the market for 90, 120 days, and they failed. So we're watching that closely as far as homes for sale. But like I said, the average market time has been stable at about 34 days on average. And 22 of those, again, 22% have received multiple offers. So it's pretty good. Let me give you a couple of the cities. So Danville, right now, 59 active homes, 55 pending. Pretty stable, right? San Ramon and Dublin are still the hot spots. 46 active in San Ramon, 68 pending in San Ramon. Dublin is seeing 31 active, 52 pending. Everybody else is pretty stable. Walnut Creek, 79 active, 66 pending. And then the last few, Concord has 92 active, 98 pending. That area has been a pretty significant demand. That lower price bracket has been more active. But if you guys have questions, I'm going to keep you posted as we progress. The last thing I wanted to share is interest rates. Lots of questions about what rates have been doing. The last 2 weeks or so, rates have actually risen a little bit. We are in typically the low sixes for most loans. You can still get into the upper fives for certain circumstances, but what caused the rates to go up this last 2 weeks was the bond market. So the 10-year bond market rose from about 3.3 up to about 3.8. So rates have kind of risen. We believe that in the next couple of weeks, as we hopefully work through this, the issues with the cap in our country, as far as the debt cap and the debt ceiling, we'll get rates coming down a little bit over the next couple of weeks is my hope. I'll keep you guys posted. But if you have questions, let me know. Again, I'm Lisa Doyle, Sereno Real Estate. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Stay well.